Hello and welcome, my lovely English learners. Ciao e benvenuti a tutti alla lezione di oggi. Today we have a fun and educational lesson in store for you. We're going to learn the months of the year in English, and I promise it's going to be easy and enjoyable. Impareremo come dire i giorni della settimana in inglese. So, grab a pen and paper if you like to take notes, or simply sit back, relax, and let's get started on this language learning journey. Quindi, munitevi di carta e penna se vi piace prendere appunti e cominciamo. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. And now it's time for a short quiz. What comes after January? The answer is February. What comes after August? And the answer is September. What comes before January? And the answer is December. What comes before April? And the answer is March. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep practicing, keep watching, and please subscribe.